Welcome back, everybody. Today on the shop we have a Chevy 305 engine. Elena is going to give us a little history on the small block.
That's right, this engine is often referred to as a small block, and that is due to the relative comparison in size between this engine and other engines in Chevy's lineup. It is obviously a much smaller unit. Now, you may or may not know, despite this engine size, that it is actually a precursor to the ever-popular LS engine. Hashtag LS swap the world. Now, although GM's siblings, such as Pontiac, Cadillac, Holden, etc., did make their own versions of the V8 during this time, the small block 305s and 350 motors did become the GM industry standard. The small block lineup was actually honored in a very popular automotive magazine and named as one of the 10 best engines of the 20th century as well.
As you can see from Powertrain Products, this is how our 305 long blocks come. They come standard with a 5-year million-mile parts and labor warranty. They do not come with the valve covers, timing cover, or oil pan. However, we do provide all the gaskets. If you're interested, contact us at 888-842-0023 and talk to one of your drivetrain geniuses.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if there's a particular unit you would like to see, drop it in the comments below.